Hello Soundarya, did you know this week is National Nutrition Week?
Nutrition Week. I've heard of it, but what does it exactly mean?
It's an annual reminder of all of us to make healthier eating choices. And this year the theme is Eat Right for a Better Life.
Great, but what does eat right exactly mean? Giving up on all my favorite foods?
Not exactly. It's not about the restrictions, it's about the balance. Simple food swaps can make a very big difference. For example, instead of chips, try roasted chana. Replace your ice cream with frozen yogurts. Choose infused water instead of carbonated beverages. Do you have any healthy swaps in your mind?
Of course, yes. We can opt for dark chocolate instead of milk chocolates and candies with dried fruits.
Excellent. Those are great alternatives.
Alright, I'll give it a try as long as it still tastes good.
You'll be surprised how easy it is. Remember, even one small change a day like choosing a fruit, a handful of nut or a homemade snack can lead to a very big results over time.
That makes sense. And to everyone watching, what about you? What's one snack you would like to swap this nutritional week? Share with us in the comments below.
Thank
you.
you.